welcome back to S&P TV. Do a heart, yeah, just do a heart. Yay! My name is Kate Kim, and today I am at home with Yummy. Say hi, Yummy.
Hello.
And in this episode, we're going to talk about different skin types. So in episode 4 of season 1, we briefly talked about knowing your skin types and using products that match your skin type. In general, we can divide our skin into 4 different categories. We have oily, dry, combination, and normal. And most products will have one of these 4 written on them to guide you when you buy them. But if you really want to get fancy, we can dig deeper into Dr. Leslie Bauman's 16 skin types. But even within the same type, everybody will place differently on the graph. So for example, 2 people could be DSPT, which stands for dry, sensitive, pigmented, and tight. But one person could have less sensitive skin and the other could have drier skin. So just know that there are going to be just as many types of skin as there are types of people. Although this graph will be able to diagnose you better, we are going to stick with the 4 types that we are used to. No one will be the same, but knowing which group you are will help you pick right products for you and your skin. So people with normal skin can have less struggle in picking out products. But at the same time, that doesn't mean that normal skin types will match perfectly with every product in the market. So I personally have dry skin and often have sensitive skin as well. I used to have a lot of acne while growing up in my teenage years, and while normal people usually have acne because they had oily skin. So like an imbalance in your skin can cause acne. Continuing on, so the natural barriers for dry-skinned people are, more vulnerable to pigmentation from external factors. And in the winter, flaky skin is kind of inevitable. And that's why sometimes I have a hard time applying makeup, because when it's flaky, the makeup doesn't stick on perfectly. So it's really important to exfoliate regularly and moisturize your skin with products that contain oil. So for this week, I've been given some products to use, which I will show very shortly. And some of these products you guys may be familiar with because you guys have seen them in season 1, and I'm a little familiar with them too. But throughout the vlog, I will give you a deeper review. Alright, so I have these 4 products. Let's look into this Peptaronic toner. Ooh. So this toner nourishes and moisturizes the skin, and it coats the skin and prevents moisture from drying out. Next, we have the Peptaronic serum. This is an intense moisturizing serum, and it provides moisturization and nourishment. Also, this is very cost effective and you can use for your whole body. Third, the Peptaronic cream. I've used this and I actually really like this. I'm using my second jar. So this is an intense moisturizing cream. And this one is also very cost effective and you can use for your whole body. Last but not least, I've never tried this, but this is the Peptaronic Ampule Mask. Ooh, face mask. And this one has 7 layers of hyaluronic acid that moisturizes and revitalizes the skin. 3 marine complex will moisturize and enhance the skin's elasticity. Alright, so now that I've introduced these products to you, I'm going to film me using this for a week. Okay, bye! Hi everybody! It is day 7 of trying out the Peptaronic line for my dry skin. I used it every night before I went to sleep, and I was trying to see how it helps my dry skin. I will tell you, but first I need to apply this. Okay, so that was the last step, and let me just say my skin just feels so hydrated. If you pinch it, there are no wrinkles. So overall, how I felt about this. I feel like it really did help my dry skin. This product really lasts all night, so the next morning it's not dry, my skin's not dry. And I highly recommend that you guys try, if they're good products, I guarantee you that you will have less dry skin. So now that I have covered dry skin, Kristen will be talking about combination skin, so let's check that out.
Hi guys, this is Christine. So my skin type is combination skin. My T-zone, as you can see, it's very oily, and my U-zone is very dry. So for me, it is really important to find a right product for my skin texture, as my skin is very complex. Our skin types are the ones who created the term multi-masking. It is when you use 2 or 3 different products for your face masking at once. So sometimes we have to buy 2 or 3 different products instead of just one product. Today I received some product and I'm going to use for 1 week. I heard that some of the products are already shown in season 1, so you may already know about the product, but I will try my best to share you more information about the product. So let's go. Combination skin, who is the oily part and dry part, it is very important to add moisturizing for the dry part, but you have to use a product which is moisturizing but not oily. And for T-zone, as my T-zone is very oily, I think my T-zone is very prone to acne. So it is also very important that you use the product which is not oily, but it gives you soothing and calming the area. The Cicaronic cleansing foam has a bubbly texture. It is made for sensitive skin and helps soothe the skin. The Cicaronic toning essence is made with 3-layered hyaluronic acid, which makes it extra moisturizing. The Cicaronic daily mask soothes the skin quickly and effectively. It cools the skin and has a high concentration of Cica. The Cicaronic ACSYS Ampoule is great for 7-day intensive care. It strengthens the skin's natural moisture barrier. The ampoule is watery and light, so it's great for combination skin. The Cicaronic Soothing Cream contains a high concentration of Cica extract. It helps soothe and strengthen the skin. The Extra Repairing Sleeping Cream contains probiotics which nourish the skin. It also contains 10 types of peptides which help enhance the skin elasticity. It helps diminish wrinkles and prevent the skin from feeling tight. Hello, this is Christine again, and this is day 7, so which is the last day of 1 week that I mentioned. So today I'm going to use all of the product that I have received from SMP, and I will start with toner. This one.
Very moisturizing.
Whipping cream. My best choice for the SMP is of course the sleeping cream and the soothing cream, because normally people use only one cream for their entire face, but I think for the combination skin it's better to use 2 different products so that you can use the product which is less oily and more hydrated for T-zone, and using more moisturizing and hydrated cream for U-zone is better. So I'm gonna introduce the product which is best for oily skin, so please keep watching and see you next time.
Hello everyone, my name is Seaon2 and I'm the last vlogger for this episode. You probably see me in the sunscreen episode and I'm back. I have super oily skin, so probably I'm the best, perfect candidate for this episode. I've been given those 2 products in the ACSYS line. This one is ACSYS Contour Skin Toner and this one is ACSYS Balancing Emulsion. For oily skin, it's very important to keep it simple because our main issue is having excess sebum and oil. Products for oily skin can make the skin dry, which can cause other skin problems. So make sure to buy products that control excess oil but moisturize the skin. So now I'm gonna show you how oily I am.
Hell yeah.
Ew!
Ew.
I'm gross. I think I'm super gross. I'm gonna use those two products for the rest of this week for maybe like 6 or 7 days. And I will show you how those products can change my skin. I really hope those two can help my skin. The design is very simple. After cleansing, apply a generous amount to skin and massage in gently. It smells like nothing. It smells like just water. It's very watery. It's not sticky or at all, just very watery. And after using toner and essence, apply a generous amount again. So for the last 3 days, I've only used those ACSYS products, only those two. And I wanted to check how much oil my face has right now. Today, I only used those two. And surprisingly, especially the forehead part, I have way less oil than the first day. As a review for the last 7 days, those two products are first very light and fresh. As I mentioned before, it is very important to keep it simple for the oily skin because if you put too much layer, it can make skin problems. And second, I'm pretty satisfied with those two products because first day I used total 3 oil control film, but I used only 2 and 1/3 of this oil control film now. I just use it. So I think it really worked. Maybe for those people who have extremely oily skin like me, with those two products and only one moisturizer, you can have way better skin than before, I think. So everyone has different skin type, so I recommend you to analyze your skin before buying products, and after that go buy the products which are really good for your skin. Yeah, this is the end of this episode and hope you really enjoyed all the episodes. Until next time, bye!